If you're experiencing login issues on Car Finance, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can cause login problems. Try switching to a different network or resetting your router if necessary. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double check that you are entering the correct username and password. Pay attention to any capitalization or special characters. If you've forgotten your password, use the password recovery option to reset it. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes stored data can cause login issues. Clear your browser as cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try logging in again. Step 4. Update your browser. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, and see if that resolves the login issue. If you follow these steps and still can't access your account, consider reaching out to Car Finance support for further assistance.